Hello crochet friends, it's me, Jonah, and many of you know I love to use the regular Bernat Easy Blanket loop yarn, and you may have seen my beautiful lattice afghans, my gorgeous bobble scarves, or any of the other things I've made. It's thick, it's nice, and it's super squishy, and you only use your hands. But today I'm so excited to introduce you to a new loop yarn. And that is the Bernat Easy Graphic Loop Yarn. This loop yarn is so cool. So starting right off the bat, you can see we have two colors intertwined together. And this yarn is designed to make things that are reversible, and you can also write letters in it, and it makes it a lot easier. Look what I mean. I'm making this scarf for Valentine's Day, and on this side, we have pink hearts with a plum background, and on this side, we have a plum heart with a pink background, and that is all because of the yarn. So if I flip it over here and move this side back, you can see on this side I've knitted up part of it, but on this side it's loops. And these loops are in a specific order, so that way I can pull them up and knit them through with the knit stitch. So when you're using this yarn, you always use the knit stitch because that's what gives it that smooth look. And it also has no curl because regular loop yarn can curl, but because we're working a double thick, it has a beautifully smooth, straight edge. Same on the other side. And once you do the graph, it just becomes so easy to just let the hearts come out. And I've made a plethora of things. I've made a hat that has a Fair Isle pattern in it. I made a reversible cowl with 3 buttons. I've made a rug that says kind is cool. I made so many different things. I even made a baby blanket with words in it, for goodness sake. So you will have to check out this new Bernat Easy Graphic yarn because there's so many cool things you can make, and it makes graphing items and words a lot easier. Check it out. Crochet away, friends.